Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, look at this awesome thing. You can make from one socket two of them. Let me introduce you the TECKIN Outdoor Smart Plug. It's a Wi-Fi socket with two sockets. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Home, of course, too. It is like a wireless remote. You can use it with a timer function via your smartphone, and it's IP44 weatherproof. Schedule and timer is included. We can schedule a long consumption time or countdown event at any time and anywhere our smartphone will be. And we can use our smartphone as remote control too. That's all the things which make it so smart. We can control this plug, both the socket and the night light, anytime and anywhere with a phone by connecting our mobile network. IP44 weatherproof, it's a smart plug which you can use with a weather resistant options. It's resistant to damp, wet, snow and cold conditions. And two single socket outlets are available there, two AC outlets that are controlled separately. We can control two devices at the same time independently. And hands-free voice control from anywhere. This wireless smart outlet compatible is with Amazon Alexa, Amazon Dot, Tap, Show, and of course for Google Assistant. That means you can talk to your assistant and tell him to switch it on, turn it off, make a schedule timer as well. Give each smart plug a different name. You can choose and use as you like. It's really awesome. The Auto Smart outlet controlled by phone, application or voice. With Amazon Echo, Google Home, IFTTT, customize we can to our own personal schedule to suit our needs. We can share the device with our family, and they also can be controlled this home appliance. The model number is SS42, weatherproof level is IP44. The input voltage is AC 100 to 250. That means you can use it international and 50 and 60 hard. The maximum power. With that you have to look up a little bit. You cannot use two dishwashers or two often at the same time on it, because the maximum power is 4000 watt. If you are under this, no prob. And the standard way of use is all day under it. No, that's right, okay? Maximum current is 16 ampere. The working temperature is from -4 up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And we will need, if we like to make a remote control, we have to download the Smart Life app. SMARTLIFE and an app. It's compatible with Android 4.1 and iOS 8 or above. We have an on and off button and we have two power sockets. We have to download the Smart Life app from the App Store, for example, or you can scan the QR code at the menu. Then we have to register a Smart Life account, and then we sync in and tap added device, then electrical outlets. We have to power on the device and press the button for 5 seconds. We confirm that indicator light rapidly blinks. After confirmed, we have to enter the Wi-Fi password, connect it and change the device's name if we like. Then we change the device name to easily recognize word or phrase like bathroom light, and done. Success. When we are going to plug the product into electrical outlet, the blue indicator light will turn on. We have to press along the button on the product it will be in pairing status. Green indicator light will flash quickly. Then we are in pairing status. When the product link is successful, the green indicator light will always on. If there no power on electrical outlet, the blue indicator light will turn off. So that saves energy. It's easy to attach because the only thing you have to do is get the socket in position, and then you can use it manually by using the button on it to switch it on or off. Then the second option is you can enter a smart thing with the app control. For this you will need a Wi-Fi network connection, 2.4 gigahertz. But if your router will make a 5 gigahertz band, it's no problem. He can do a 2.4 too. And the third way is, of course, pair it with Alexa or Google Home Assist as well. Then you can use it in your smart home. Here you can see it's a really nice thing to make from one socket two, and an easy way to make your not smart devices smart again by using that outdoor smart plug. And of course you can do this outdoor because it's nearly waterproof. It comes with two sockets. It's compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and wireless remote by using a smartphone and an app, of course. It's IP44 weatherproof, and this is really awesome. This is nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.